This 2027 Entegra Coach Centurion 45D is a Super CRV. It is located in Concord, North Carolina, 28027 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Charlotte. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Entegra coach is 45 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, slide-out, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features bath and a half, rear bath. This 2027 Entegra Coach Centurion 45D is built on a Freightliner Cascadia 116-day cab chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.